That's the turkey dog.
This is my retriever. Yep. When I shoot the turkey, he retrieves it and brings it back to me.
Actually, what you do, you shoot the turkey, and if he ain't dead, the turkey just whips your dog. He ain't gonna be much of a fighter, I don't think. So he's trying to get down and go get one.
You gonna get my turkeys? You want to go turkey hunting?
He said, what?
He ready to go.
I said, huh? What are you talking about? Yep, y'all ain't never seen a wire hair beagle
Pomeranian.
a Spanielranium turkey dog right there. Big Mike, we gonna kill the turkey in the morning?
Yes.
He said it. We gonna shoot 2?
Yes.
I like the way the man thinks.
We better shoot 3. If
me
I don't,
me and Michael go shoot 2. You have a.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I don't, I got put in the gar hole, so everybody knows. My guides put me in the gar
Let's
hole.
put it this way. Philip's come down here deer hunting. I don't know how many years.
Oh my gosh, 15.
0.
Ain't never even killed a doe.
I mean, I've seen.
You can kill a doe in the driveway driving in.
Well, he won't let me shoot the ones in the driveway, but
Well, Cindy's not here now.
well, now we might shoot a doe in turkey season.
What you doe in the morning?
This morning you could have stacked them up right down there in front of the house.
But I have for years come here and always. I mean, you didn't have enough fingers and toes to count the does. And the one time that I said, I'm gonna shoot a doe, and I think I saw one doe all weekend, and I let it go, and Mr. Larry shot him, and then I seen one other doe, and before I could even pick my gun up, Spike blew her out, and that's the only 2 does I saw in an entire weekend. So I just guess I'm cursed.
No, it just sucks.
The moral of his story is, it is possible to gar hole somebody. It's hard to do, but it is possible.
If history repeats itself, the spot we're talking about him going turkey hunting in the morning was real close to where he was deer hunting, and it didn't work out. So I got nothing.
I see this is already headed to a possible unsuccessful weekend for me.
We're just calling this covering our rear end if he comes back fussing, right? I don't know what you're talking about.
I told you so. I told you so.
There was 4 gobblers there the other day. That's all we know.
So they're taking me to they're taking me to put the blind up. So if it ain't in the right spot, I've been putting the gar hole.
But
Where you want it? That's where we'll put it in. Wherever you want it. There's been a lot of feeding activity up there.
Right there.
Well, they have roosted right there. I mean, I have seen them roosted out in them pine trees right there. And them turkey birds do like burned areas. Getting close to that time. I gotta go find me some shoes.
Yo. What's up, Jordan?
What's up?
It's opening day of Georgia turkey season. I can't find up and down this morning, but I did. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like my GoPro mount? We'll shoot one with that recording just like that this morning. Probably ain't gonna see the turkey, but you'll see the gun. See how it works out. Thought I'd play. Big Mike camera, video him in case he tries to attack me. A little chilly, 40 something this morning.
We're putting that in the cart for me, Jordan.
Yes, sir.
smell the end of that decoy.
I blew my turkeys up. Just forced her up when I shot, but don't matter. I ain't saving the fan.
Boys, y'all never cease to amaze me.
I ain't had to take a shot when you get a shot, you know. I'm trying to double. I'll take pictures with yours. That's it's bad. It's bad. I blew it all up.
Hey, how about it?
Well, I know you could do it. I didn't know it'd take that long.
Well, I apologize to Jordan for having to hunt so long this morning. He ain't used to sitting in the blind that long up there.
When they got right there and went that way, I was like, well, them turkeys gonna turn and go back to the field with them other gobblers here.
I guarantee you that decoy's got some bullet holes in him.
Mine probably didn't hit it because my pattern was so tight it hit all turkey.
Because the decoy's head and my head was about 2 inches apart right there.
That ain't the first time he got shot.
No. When we started the countdown, the angle deteriorated rapidly.
Well, two things happened too. My heads got closer together, and they both got the meat and potatoes of both of those loads right there.
That was about 1,200 pellets.
Oh yeah. How far is that? 15 yards?
It'd be a stretch to get to 15. Like turkey feathers?
You know what that smells like?
Mmm.
Dead turkey.
Dead turkey.
I didn't kick.
It didn't kick.
It almost did though.
Let me see that.
Oh, I know. I recognize that.
That's physics.
That's number 7 TSS.
There you
So
go.
far, I shot 2 of them and killed several turkeys with them.
That was 16 yards, and that one's 18 yards. That one don't have as many feathers as this one.
Yeah, Lord.
And that's your turkey, Dad. He got some sharp spurs on him. And he got all his feathers. Mine, on the other hand, he ain't bad as I thought, Jordan. He's bad, but he ain't bad as I thought.
You didn't mess up his tail. You just messed up.
I messed up the turkey. He got pretty good little spurs on him too. They're sharp. Huh, that's way better than it looked. It looked really, really bad. But when you put that hawk on 4-power and at 17, 18 yards, it does really bad things to turkeys.
They're a little better than I thought they was, really.
Actually, they are. They got probably a 9, 10 inch beard on them. And
Probably got 11 or 12.
all 15. Those spurs they're inching sharp. So you've been on that bird builder program for a few years. I don't know what happened to that wing. It got.
Hit that pine tree right
Oh,
there.
it definitely. Ooh. Ooh. Ouch. That's where all the feathers came from. He's not what we call photogenic.
Yeah.
But I ain't worried about that. We got turkey meat.
Ain't bad as you look. Done it again. Oh, buddy, he ain't shot up too bad.
He got feathers on him. Jordan likes hunting with us, by the way. Yeah, I don't think them birds they could see him, but they had a lot of issues
I think if we
right there.
set up over yonder tomorrow.
Tomorrow we can go hunt these 3 birds. We had to get these out of the way. These good birds, though.
And I'm like, all right. So I'm like, and they stayed about 20 yards other side of the decoys for a long time and wouldn't come to the decoys.